Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sankit and today in this video I will be sharing some OS and networking questions which were shared to me by someone from LinkedIn. So let me share my screen and show you what these questions are. And we'll go through these questions one by one and make sure if you're giving the interview, you have these questions noted down and you prepare the answers well for them in advance, as there is a high chance, and this is from a recent interview, so they might have changed some of the questions, and these are new questions which even I'm seeing for the first time. So let's see. So this was the OSI networking round, and the role which the person interviewed for is called Cloud Support Engineer SIP, which is into security domain. And the first question was how to check throughput between two systems and check routes between them. So here you have to use iperf command, and this is a networking question, and you can learn more about it if you just do a Google search, or if you ask ChatGPT, and you can get to know more in detail about this. Then the next question is how to check the system domain. The next question is if MTS is 1600 for router 1 and for router 2 it is 1450, tell me if receiver has MTS 1400 and how will you transmit data. I have no idea about this, but if you do, or if you don't, even if you don't have, you can just Google it, or if you can ask ChatGPT the same question and you will get a better answer there. So next is what are TCP options other than MSS and Windows scaling? I don't know about this as well. Then next is commands to check which ports are open. This you can do using netstat, I think. I've forgotten things. It's been long since I revised networking, so yeah, think it is netstat or something like that. Then next question is if the system gives a blue screen, then what could be the possible reason? So blue screen is like the blue screen of death, which we see when kernel panic occurs. So that happens when something out of the box happens and the kernel is not, equipped with handling that type of error. So it just gives that blue screen of death and then it starts rebooting the system. Okay. Then what is the size of MBR? Uh, MBR is maximum bit rate or something, right? I don't know. How many flags are there? And I don't know what this is. Let's remove that. So I think flags are there in MBR, is it? Then next question was to share screen and show how will you check why the system is slow. So once, if your system is slow, you can check many things. You can start with the top command, see how many processes are running and what is the CPU usage, what is the memory usage, check file system configuration, check CPU, the network part. I mean, there could be anything, hardware issue, software issue, file system issue, network issue. So all these things you can check using their respective commands and figure out what is going on. And then you might find somewhere something is going wrong and fix it. So that is how you troubleshoot a slow system. Then next is if YouTube is very slow, how will you troubleshoot? If your YouTube video is running slow, your internet speed might not be up to the mark, and if it is not working that much, that then it means your network issue is there, and you can check uh, you do a speed test, see if the download speed and the upload speed are coming or not, and then figure out something from there. The next question is single sign-on is equal to SAML. Is it? I'm not sure. I think so. I don't know about this. The next is how a credit card details secured on Amazon applications. Uh, okay. The next is encryption decryption algorithms. Then next is packet flow to ping from PC1 to PC2. There are two computers. You have to explain the packet flow. Think using when you use ping command or something like that. Then the last, they ask a behavioral question in the technical rounds as well if you don't know that. So for me also in both my technical rounds, they had asked one behavioral question at the end. And for this person as well, they have asked, so it is, tell me about a time when you did extra learning other than your daily routine. So that's it. These were all the questions which were asked to this person for the OS and networking round interview. And that's it. Like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next one.